Searching for power? All you need to do is look up. And power up with the newest addition in our line of outdoor power solutions, the Solar Charging Kit from Legrand. The Solar Charging Kit delivers the height of convenience to users and your facility. That's because it doesn't require any trenching to get power to it, so you can be up and running in no time, even in remote locations. Simply install a standard 4-inch diameter light pole, then add the Solar Charging Kit. The kit includes a solar panel unit as well as 3 charging shelves with illuminated USB ports, letting you quickly and easily transform any sunny spot to include convenient charging stations. No strings or wires attached. So next time you need a convenient charge, just look up. And power up with the new Solar Charging Kit from Legrand.